We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how to replace and reset your drum on a Brother MFC 7460DN. So this printer is going to take a DR420. There's only one drum. Open your front hatch. Pull this lever out. And then you'll need to take the toner out of the drum. So you're just going to press this green button and it's going to release it. Set your old drum to the side, unbox your new one, and stick your old toner in the new drum. Once you hear it click, you know it's in there. And then what you need to do is take this little Corona wire tab and you want to do it a few times, but make sure to put it back where this arrow is. That's going to be its locking position. Once you hear it click, you know it's locked in. Go ahead and put the drum back in your printer. Now, before you shut your front hatch, you need to reset your drum. Anytime you replace your drum, you have to reset it. So with this printer, what you're going to do is you're going to press the clear button, and it says replace drum. Hit 1 for yes. And then so it says accepted. Shut your front hatch. Then the printer will reset the drum. If you guys are in need of supplies or quotes, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.